Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, there might be more than one lady watching this one. So today we've got another electronics repair video. This time we'll be fixing this 2018 Mazda CX-5 key fob. So what's the problem? Let me show you. Pressing the button. There's a red light. Nothing. Inside the cabin, we got a message. Key fob battery low. Hold key close to start. Yeah, I checked the battery and it's full, so lies. So what exactly is the problem? The light goes on, but it's not working. Well, as it turns out, nothing is actually broken here, but this is just a classic case of bad design. Now let me show you exactly what I mean. Alright guys, so I got the key fob opened up. You just got to pry the two halves apart. You can use your fingers, credit card, it's pretty easy. Just be gentle. So when you open it up, you're gonna have this cap on here. So that kind of seals out dust and water, I'm guessing. And battery slips right into there. So, as you can see, bottom of the battery has to touch those two prongs. And then the side of the battery has to touch these two little metal pieces on the side there. So, what exactly is the problem then? Well, let me put that battery in and you can kind of see already what the problem is. The battery is not sitting securely in there. You know, if I push down right here, yeah, now it's secure. Now I let off and it's kind of spring tension pushed out. And this cap does not push it down either. So that's basically the problem, is the battery is just not having good contact. So you might think, well, let's push the battery down, right? Let's just stuff something under here on top of the battery, close it up, and call it a day. Well, I tried that about 5 different times, and nothing lasted more than a night. So if one of you managed to figure this out just with stuffing, I would love to hear about it in the comments. So anyways, I'm done stuffing, and I'm ready to bring out the big guns. So what is the plan here? Well, there it is. Let's make a hard connection for the plus side of the battery, and if it still doesn't work, then we can do the minus. But I think the main problem here is the plus connection. So let me solder it up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're done. So we got one connection here and one connection here. I don't even know if you can see that, but we're done and it's working great. Huzzah! Well, there you have it, folks. We turned a dodgy spring-loaded connection into a solid soldered connection and fixed the problem. Nice and easy. Well, I hope this video helps somebody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.